key catalyst for sustainable, inclusive, and resilient growth. The Royal Government will continue to provide support and assistance to private sector at all stages of business and strengthen the public-private dialogue and partnership. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I hope I have given you convincible reasons to make informed decisions to invest in Cambodia, or at least to visit Cambodia if you have not visited. Especially this time, if you want to get away from below zero. Cambodia is also winter, but our winter is about 30 degrees. To take advantage of what Cambodia can offer, as well as to contribute to Cambodia's economic development. I would like to invite you to explore and engage with Cambodia's potential and prospect of mutually beneficial cooperation and partnership. Cambodia is ready to welcome you and provide full support, as well as warm hospitality. Finally, I wish this forum a success and wish Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, and all distinguished guests good health and success in your endeavors. And I now declare the opening of the France-Cambodia Business Forum. Thank you very much.